CEN Colossus. I don't know, I call this my jalopy because I pretty much used every little bit, scrap and piece or whatever extra I've had laying around to make this, and I absolutely love it. It has been a fantastic truck. It has the CEN Racing XT center diff and mount, front and rear diffs. Actually has the A-arms. These are the XT-Reeper A-arms. I don't know what the uppers are. Probably a confabulation. This is a wheelie bar. An extra wheelie bar I had is actually from a Techno MT410. Two of the holes lined up, and then I just drilled some holes here and had a good time. These are, anyway, fast lane machine shock mounts for low-C shocks on HPI Savage, and I've had them, thought they looked cool, so I made them fit on this. I didn't care. Anyway, let's dig into this, and I'm gonna pop this side off first. Oh, no. Yep. Actually a Nemesis plate, and I drilled it out. It's these holes here. This one, this one, this one, and this one, I believe. So you can mount this guy up. Everything should fit, like they're basically the same thing. So the here and here, I think, are great places for an aluminum upgrade. You're gonna get less twist inside of here. I mean, this truck is great because it's light, so I will want to keep it light. And let's zip. Well, it does hit the front drive line. I can't pick this thing up, so let's do this. just in the way of everything. But that's hitting. Dang, that stinks. I'm gonna put the stock servo tray back into my 1/8 scale Colossus. And it's best to put the servo in before. And I hope this shit that it goes this way.
These mounting holes are, the stock mounting holes are all stripped out, so I use nuts on them also. I'm upgrading this to a savox SA1230 servo. These are a good servo for me. Have been. They're a taller servo, so they're, you know, the way these mounted doesn't matter how tall the servo is. Yeah, it's completely stripped. These back screw holes here, like the strip, you can see that they are tightened up a little bit.
So you can see that these are kind of double holed here. And it's because some servos do have a different bolt pattern along this long axis here. So let's get this done real quick. This is the 248 LOCTITE stick. I think it's just like lightweight. Oh, it's medium strength. Switch this guy out. Like this. Where's my LOCTITE at? There's my LOCTITE, and then I just give her a spin. Puppy in here. Where do you go? You go this way. And that is 2.5. Make sure, like this ESC is right up against the motor here. That's pretty much it. It's in there. Things in there. I'll slap this other plate on here in a second, but I am done for now.